is not visible, just in case. Okay, there you go. Hello, namaste, everyone. Welcome to the International Yoga Day. What we're going to do today is just a regular exercise that I follow, and I'm just going to do that and give little instructions. If you're online, you can follow. With me, I have Abhinav and Jyoti. Both of them are on the camera, so you will see them doing along with me. Okay, so you sit in Vajrasan or Sukhasan or Padmasan, whichever is the posture. Spine straight, chin up. Okay, the hands in the front. Now, for every breathing exercise, we use these two fingers, one the thumb finger and these two fingers for the. If you are a right-hander, you close your right with your thumb and your left with your both the fingers. So, right. It's like the start with Basrika, which is you close your left nostril, and you exhale from your mouth and from your nose and close your mouth. Okay, you do it right. So we do it 10 times here, and we do with left hand 10 times, and both the nostrils 10 times. Okay, close your left nostril from your right nostril. Exhale as much fast as possible from your lungs. It should just come out. Normal. Now close your right nostril from your left nostril 10 times. Exhale as with force. Okay. The entire lungs capacity, the air should come out. Okay. With now both the nostrils, spine straight, chin up. Close your nose. Take a long breathe. Breathe out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Now, both the hands in Namaskar Mudra. So both the thumbs here. Okay. When you are Namaskar Mudra, this is how you need to keep. Spine straight again. Both the hands in Namaskar Mudra. Take a breathe, and breathing out, we say Omkar. Okay. Just follow me as much as the time that you can do. Take a breathe. Out. One more time. Take a breathe now. One more time we do. Take a breathe. Normal breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Now in the same position, we do Brahmari. You breathe in and close your mouth and make noise through your nose. Okay, so it has to be. Take a breathe. 2 times we do. Take a breathe. Normal breathing. Now take a breathe again, one more time. Your eyes closed. Or just rub your hands. You create a warmth there. Just open your eyes with that. Just 1 or 2 times you can do. From here, we do the basic exercises for our neck and shoulder and our back and our legs. Before we start actually, Surya Namaskar. Okay, so from here, we go into Sarpasan, which both the legs back and both the hands in a distance. You can measure this, right? And you bend backwards, both the legs back, and bend and look up. Take a breath. Breathing out, just turn to your right, and you should be able to see your buttocks. That's how you should see. And then 2, you come down to up. Breathe in, left, 4. It's like a semicircle. You make a semicircle, you go from up. 5, you go straight like this, and then up. 6. Take a breath. 7 and 8. Okay, from here, just go. Bring your one leg forward, the other leg forward. Just try to touch the ground, just to flex yourself. I will just adjust this camera to here. Now, stand straight. Interlock, and hands up straight. Take a breath and stretch yourself towards the sky. 1, turn to your right. Breathing out and breathing in. 2, stretch upwards. 3, 4, breathe in. 5, breathe out. 6, breathe in. 7, stretch, and then back. Okay. After this, just spread your legs apart, 1.5 feet distance. Both the hands straight. They should be straight, from your shoulders. Okay. Take a breath. Breathing out, turn towards right. Breathing out. Possible. In. 3, breathe out. 4, back. 5, breathe out. 6, breathe in. 7, breathe out. And 8, breathe in. Okay. Be in the same position and sit as it is. Okay. Your hands on your knees. This is called, the Indian toilet pose. Okay. Take a breathe. Breathing out, just turn your leg and put it on the ground, your knee. Right? That's it. And try to touch your chin to the knee, your right knee. Okay. 2, breathe in. 3, breathe out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This you can do 16 times or 8 times, whichever is possible, as per your time that is available for you on a day-to-day basis. Okay. So from here, we do Surya Namaskar. Maybe I'll actually do this. Put the hands in Namaskar Mudra. As I mentioned, the same way. Just straight, spine straight. Take a breath. Om Mitraya Namaha. You just turn your hands like this, breathing out. 1, 2, put the hands back with Namaskar. Breathe in. 3, breathing out. Bend forward. Try to touch the floor. And if you can hold together. And now, breathing in. Your left leg back. And both the hands up. Breathing in. 5. Your right leg back. And in this position, up and down, breathe in, breathe out. Try and touch and put the foot completely down, touch the ground. 6, your knee and your chest and chin should touch the ground. Don't sleep. Breathe out completely. 7, breathing in, come up. 8, breathe out. And now breathe in, breathe out here. Okay. 9, your left leg now in the front, equal to your hands, and both the hands up. 10, your right leg joints. Same position. Breathe out completely. And while breathing in, Yara. And from backside, Para Namaskar. Okay, we do this continuously. We do 3 more. We do 4 today for the for want of time. Okay. Take a breath. Om Suryaya Namaha. Take. Breathe out. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4, left leg back. Breathe in. Put the hands up. 5, your right leg back. 6, 7, breathe in. 8, breathe out. Now breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. 9, left leg in the front, equal to your hand. Thus, your right leg joins. Yara. And Bara Namaskar. Now both the hands in Namaskar Mudra. Normal breathing, whatever the speed of breathe that you're getting at this point of time. Now take breathe. Om Dhanave Namaha. Hey. Go. 3, jars, left leg back. Punch. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Your knee, chest and chin should touch the ground. 7, breathe in. 8, breathe out. Now breathe in, breathe out. Now left leg in the front. Now. Thus, breathing out. Right leg joins. Kiara, breathe in. Para, breathing out. Namaskar. One more time we do. Very nice to see the sun today for our yoga. Okay, take a breath. Om Adityaya Namaha. Ek, do, teen, char, your left leg back. Punch, your right leg back. Okay, breathe out. 7, breathe in. 8, breathe out. Now breathe in, breathe out. Now your left leg in the front. Breathe in. 10, your right leg joins. 11, para namaskar. Okay, now sit on the ground. Sit on the ground. Both the legs apart. Both the legs apart. Both the hands behind. Both the hands behind. And your head rests between the shoulders. Normal breathing. Whatever the speed that you have right now, it'll be high, but try to focus on breathe in and breathe out so that it comes to normal. Now, slowly lay down, go to Shavasana, both the legs apart and both the hands apart. Hands apart. Your palm looking at the sky. Just totally relax. Just focus only on breathing. Just leave your body as light as possible. Do not have any movements in your body except the breathing, where your chest and the diaphragm move up and move down. Okay. Take as longer breaths as possible. Just relax totally. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out. Normal breathing. Continue the same breathe in, breathe out. Just relax. Okay, slowly breathe in and just move your hands a bit and bring them to your body and breathe out. Now breathe in, move your legs together and bring them together and breathe out. Now when you breathe in, lift your right leg up 30 degrees. Breathe in, right leg up. Hold. Breathe out, back on ground. Now this time left leg. Breathe in, your left leg up. And breathe out, back on ground. Now this time both the legs together. Breathe in, both the legs up. Hold as much possible. If not, just go back down, breathing out. Breathe out, just go back. Now this time, breathe in, your right leg up. Breathe out, down, back again on the ground. Now breathe in, your left leg up. Breathe out, back on ground. Now this time, breathe in and both the legs up. And while breathing out, fold your legs together towards your body. Fold your legs to your body. Now from here, we go to Sarvangasana. So you take a breath and you lift your body, give support with your hands, and on the shoulders, you from the shoulder to hand, you actually give support and you put your legs straight. Okay, breathe in, up, just give support to your back first. Once you're stable, just go and make your legs straight up. As much time as you can do. If you have a high BP or something, maybe you should avoid. And bring it back slowly, breathing out if you can't hold for longer duration. And go back to Shavasana. Okay, just fold your legs together down. And now from here, breathing out, you bring your body slowly onto the ground and both the legs straight up 30 degrees. And breathe out. Back on ground, your legs apart, hands apart, Shavasana. Just relax. Normal breathe in and breathe out. Just relax totally. No movement in your body except you're breathing in and breathing out for your chest and stomach. Just relax. Focus only on your breathing. Now breathe in. Slowly move your two hands to your body, next to your body, and breathe out. Now breathe in. Movement in your legs. Bring them together. Breathe out. Again, we do breathe in and your right leg up. Breathe out. Right leg back on ground. Breathe in. Your left leg up. Breathe out. Back on ground. Now breathe in. Both the legs up. Breathe out. Back on ground. Now breathe in. Right leg up. Breathe out. Back on ground. Breathe in. Your left leg up. Breathe out. Back on ground. Now both the legs together. Breathe in. Both the legs up. And slowly breathing out, fold them together towards your body. Both the legs together. Now your hands, you interlock, and hold your legs together, firm, and lift your head. Now we roll front and back, breathing out and breathing in. Okay, 6, 7 times we do, and 8th time we get up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Get up. And next straight, hands up. Take a breath. Breathing out, bend forward, and hold your feet if possible. Or if you can, wherever you can actually stretch, even if you can completely hold and go down, it's okay. But just touch your feet and hold on. Normal breathing here. Breathe in, back, and down. Okay. Do here. We'll do Ardha Matsyendrasana from here in the sitting position itself. Straight legs, straight, and I think I should show it here this side. Okay, your left leg. Now you bring it next to your right leg, right? Left leg next to your right thigh, okay? And your right hand over around the left leg and hold your right leg. If you can't hold it, just put it here. That's okay. Or just keep it here. Okay? If you can't hold it. If you can hold, it's fine. Okay? Take a breathe. Breathing out, turn left. 1, 2, breathe in. 3, breathe out. Stretch. 4, 5, breathe in, breathe out. 6, breathe in. 7, breathe out. 8, breathe in. Back. Straight. Now, this time, your right leg goes next to your left leg. Okay? Right leg next to your left leg on the other side, and your left hand goes around right leg and holds your left leg. Okay? Hold as much possible, otherwise just keep it here. If you can't do it, but when you are turning, you have to stretch. This body should be stretched because there is a lot of pressure here on this part. Okay? Yeah. Breathe in. Breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 6, 7, 8. Back normal. Okay. Try and touch your feet just to flex. Okay. And maybe a stretch this way. Okay. From here, just sit in the same position. Bring your both the feet together. We just do Pakshi Kriya. Interlock your hand and hold your both the feet together. Spine straight. Chin up. Okay. We just do up and down. Okay. Okay, go. Up, down. As fast as possible. Slow down. Slow down a bit. Okay. Stop. Normal breathing. Okay. So next we do a bit of breathing exercise. So what you can do is either you can sit in this position, which is Sukhasana, which is easier like this. Okay. Or you sit in Vajrasana, which is like this. You sit your feet, spine straight, chin up. Okay, this is the position. This is the position. Okay, or Padmasana. If you want to do Padmasana, you can do a bit of warm up. Just put your leg here, one leg, and do just a flex a bit, if possible. Do with the other leg as well. Flex a bit. Okay. Now you can do Padmasana. So if you have a pain after some time, if you're trying to Padmasana, just go back to Sukhasana. Just when you just release it, that's it. Okay. Release. Or Vajrasana, whichever is comfortable to you. Okay. Spine straight. Chin up. Normal breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Now, what we do is, again, same mudra. We breathe in from right and breathe out on left. Again, we breathe in from left and breathe out on right. Okay, we do this cycle continuously. Just follow me. Close your left nostril. Breathe in from right as much possible. And the same amount of time to exhale. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out on right. Breathe in from right. Breathe out on left. Breathe in from left. Breathe out on right. Breathe in from right. Breathe out on left. Breathe in from left. Breathe out on right. Back to normal, spine straight, chin up, normal breathing. If possible, keep your eyes closed always. And when you're breathing in, you breathe in so much that you feel that your lungs are filled and the chillness that you get. And then breathing out, you actually feel the warmth on your end of your nose. Okay. Now, this time we breathe in from right and breathe out from right itself twice. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out by closing our left nostril. And after that, we close right nostril and breathe in, breathe out twice. So we do this twice. Okay. Now close your left nostril from your right nostril. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in from right nostril. Breathe in, breathe out. Change the nostril. Close your right nostril from your left nostril. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Change the nostril. Close your left nostril from your right nostril. Twice. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Change the nostril. Close your right nostril from your left nostril. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Back to normal. Normal breathing. You breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So now, this time, we breathe in from right. The amount of time that we breathe in, hold so much of time, and breathe out the same amount of time on your left. And again, you breathe in from left, hold the same amount of time, and breathe out on right. I'll just show you once. Maybe you can follow the similar pattern. Just watch me. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in from left. Breathe out on right. So you can follow this. Okay. Now follow me. Close your left nostril. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in from left. Breathe out at right. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. This you can do as many number of times. As you keep practicing any of these exercises, you can always do more number of times. Okay. Now, what we do is next, keep your hands like this. You use both your thumbs to close your nostril. Okay, in this position. Okay, we breathe in from mouth, close our mouth and expand our cheeks, and we close our nose, hold for some time, and while coming up, we breathe out from nose. Okay, I'll show you once. Maybe you can follow after that. From nose. Okay. Okay, you can do. Breathe in. Breathe out. See, do only so much time that you can hold. Don't hold as long as I'm holding. Just because I'm holding, you should not use it. Just your capacity. That's it. Anything that you're doing. One more time. Breathe out. Okay. Now, after this, what you do is your fingers, your hands, right? Your fingers, you just need to massage in circles. Okay. Massage slowly. Just apply a bit of pressure, little bit on your forehead, or all around your forehead, and your eyebrows. On your eyes, very gently in circles, where you actually give rise to the blood circulation basically. And your nose, just a bit on your nose, mouth, below your mouth, and your cheeks. Just apply a bit of pressure. So this will massage your, face and the blood circulation that goes in. And maybe, your skin, it helps you to improve your skin glow. And your jaws, your chin, and on your neck, a bit around your neck. Back, just rub your hands to open your eyes. Okay, when you release from your Vajrasana or Padmasana, because it's very tough on your legs. So put straight, just to relax, front and back, your feet front and back, and circles, reverse, and alternative knees up and down, and both the knees together. And now sideways, your feet, and relax. Okay, whenever you are on Vajrasana or Padmasana, where you release is this way. Okay, so that the entire blood circulation that continues with you. Okay, so that's all for today. I'm sure if you do it continuously, it will not take more than 15 minutes. I hope this is something that I do it for last many years, 35 years now in Precise. initially we used to do for quite long, more than an hour when we were young and in the college and schools. But now for working professionals, I think whatever we have done is more than enough. Even if you do half of this also is more than enough. If you don't get any time on any day, do not stop. What you can just do is just 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar. That's it. Don't do anything else because that will take care of your entire body, which will keep you flex. It's not to make a six packs, right? You will not make a six packs by actually doing this. But one thing that I can assure you that you will feel fresh throughout the day, until you sleep. You don't feel the tiredness, that comes, very like by evening usually that working professionals we have. And these exercises also, like some of the exercises that we have done, it will keep your spine very strong, and also all your important. And as we are aging also, the muscle, the skin to muscle need to be together. So these exercises will help you. Okay, that's all I have. And thank you, Jyoti. Any questions? Abhinav, thank you so much. Hey, who's there? Abhinav, I can't hear. I see someone. I'm sorry. There's so much of light here. Okay.
Naresh here.
Naresh, hi.
Hi here.
Naresh, hi. And you have, hey, Abhinav, your mom. Abhi, I can't hear you. You are on mute.
Yeah. Yes, sir. My mom also has joined me.
Wow. Oh, so pleasure. So pleasure, Sandhya ji.
I thought you would pay.
No, very nice, very nice. Very nice to see.
For this effort, I
No,
must say.
no, it looks like brother and sister there. So I was about to ask, but okay, Abhinav don't have a sister, right? But so pleasure to see you.
Yeah,
So pleasure to see you. Thank you so much. I hope you are able to follow, some of the things.
Yes, I tried. Abhinav did more well, of course.
Okay. No, he has great flexibility and is a good body. So I think he should do some videos, I guess, to more popularize. I think you can be the model, for doing this only for professionals. So I'm not doing it for professional yoga experts, right? We're doing it for the working professionals, which is very important.
Could we do few asanas now? Few more asanas?
Yeah?
Now? Or few asanas?
No, your voice is not clear, Abhinav.
I was saying, do we have time for 4 or 5 asanas like Chakrasana, Matsyasana?
No.
Now?
I don't want to scare anyone because see, even the working professionals, I found that they can't even sit in the position that I am sitting.
Okay.
They literally, some of them said literally, I'll break because they have not sat for years together because they are on the chair or something. So that's why I don't scare. Even the ones that I do are the very old method of yoga, right? If you see the Surya Namaskar, these are very different from the modern day yoga, right? Because modern day they made it more easier for people. Right?
I would like to show you Chakrasana once. So that,
Yeah, you show it definitely. Of course. I don't want to break my this thing, right? So you show it.
Yeah, I'll just show you now. So
Yes,
that,
excellent.
It will be beneficial for people who are also live on this video.
Yes, absolutely. No, that's how.
How's your gymnast daughter, Meghna?
How's Meghna?
Gymnast is good. I think she's busy with her own, routine.
Okay.
She's back onto routine, so all the practice happening at the stadium, not at home. So that's a great.
She does yoga also, I hope so.
Yeah. She helps me sometimes because I don't get all the, like Chakrasan. They do it like almost like a complete chakram, not even half chakra, right? So I use whenever, she has to show. Now maybe Abhinav can show now because I can't do it. Okay.
I can't.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Okay, you lay down completely, your legs together, your hands, and breathe in. Yes. Wow. Oh, super.
Super.
Very nice.
Super, Abhinav.
Wow.
Oh, that's
Oh
an
my
extreme. That's an extreme, People will get scared, huh? Okay, nice. Okay, don't get up quickly like that. Just relax and, get up. Very nice. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. There is one more asana called Matsyasana.
Yeah, yeah,
It is for both men and women.
yeah,
But these days, women especially are having a lot of thyroid problem.
yeah.
So I usually see NDTV Good Times and channels. Like I follow Ira Trivedi on India Today. And NDTV Good Times also there is a Yoga Sutra.
Yeah,
So Matsyasana is actually, it energizes your thyroid gland.
thyroid. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
And it regulates your entire hormones.
yeah,
So I'll just show you Matsyasana.
yeah,
So we do this,
yeah. That's.
yeah, just
You just have to show a bit up. Yeah, that's fine.
you have to take a deep breath.
Yep.
And raise your legs this way.
30 degrees.
Curve your, I'll show you like this.
Yeah, this is better. Yeah, this is better.
Curve your arch backward. Lift your legs in the air. And hold it like this. For some time. And then turn also like this. Not to turn this way.
Oh, very nice. So I
There's one or two more. So quickly.
I think one more
This
instruction is
Hadasana. So for example, please
yeah,
touch be in this position.
yeah. Oh,
There is one
very
more
nice.
asana.
So one yeah,
where,
you're showing one more asana.
You could actually catch your legs, raise it midway. Like this.
Yeah, that needs a lot of strength.
Yeah, that needs a lot of practice.
And for balance, you need a lot of practice. Yeah, I think that's very important.
Yeah.
So excellent. Yeah, Jyoti, you have any questions? Thank you for joining
Good to see.
all the way
Yeah.
from Chandigarh.
Yeah.
Thank you, GR. It's really exciting. I think nothing, no questions, but I really enjoyed. I think more regular now.
Yeah. So I think what we did is like the initial exercises when we did the Omkar and Bhastrika and Brahmari. Brahmari actually also works on the thyroid, related things. When you actually put it here, you're actually pressing little bit, right? So that first part, what we did by sitting is one thing also helps you. And the second part, what we did is like the first one takes care of your, neck, back, and then after that, when you sat, all your legs. So it's entire body. And then Surya Namaskar, of course, have no doubt that if you don't get any time, just do Surya Namaskar. Even one time you do, I think that will also keep you fit for the day. But 2 times is better, 3 times is better, 4 times is better. The more you do is better anyway. Okay. Naresh, who's following you? Is somebody there with you?
No, dear. My mother.
Where is Keura?
Was sleeping now. she was up till about 2:30.
Okay. So with the brother.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Thanks, Hemant. Hemant is joining every day with me. He's doing every day 7:30 to 8. I think we have enough time now. Thank you so much. And because today is a yoga day, we don't have to do it today. But since today we actually went live just to create some awareness about basic yogasanas, which are important for our day-to-day life, and especially the professional life, which is very tough and very strainful. So by actually being physically fit, probably we'll be more mentally fit. And I do hope that this session, which is recorded, will be more helpful. And you make it as a practice in your life, which is actually very important. Doesn't matter when you start. If you are young, it's fine to start. But if you are old, it is fine to even start now. That is better. And I do hope that this will help. And any questions anytime you have, I'll happy to answer to the extent that I know. As I say that I don't claim to be a professional in this, but I am a practitioner to whatever the extent which keeps me fit for the entire day. Thank you so much. Happy Yoga Day. Don't do
Thank
yoga for
you.
today, but
Yeah, happy.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Happy Yoga Day to all.
Yeah, enjoy yourself. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, JR. Thank you all.